Hello everyone, my name is Nasha Izhar Labiba and today I'm going to present the prototype of our application called SmartSpend. SmartSpend is a personal finance app that helps users manage their budget, track their expense, and understand their spending habits in a simple and practical way. The app uses digital nudges like reminder and notification to encourage users to make smarter financial decisions, especially when they are using digital payment service. Overall, SmartSpend offers several core features that we focus on this prototype. These features include building a financial risk profile, planning a monthly budget, receiving spending alerts, and viewing a monthly financial summary. Even though this prototype is not fully functional yet, we designed the user flow to feel realistic so user can get a clear picture of how the final version of the app will work later on. During development, we designed SmartSpend to be accessible across different devices. The app is planned to run Android starting from version 15 and iOS starting from version 18, as well as a desktop platform like Windows and Mac. To use the app smoothly, user will need around half a gigabyte of storage, at least 8 gigabyte of RAM, and internet connection of around 5 to 15 megabytes per second. The apps also requires access to local storage and notification so the reminder feature can work properly. The prototype we are presenting today has a few important things users need to understand before using it. This prototype is only a simulation, which means the button and menu you see don't actually function. Any data entered won't be saved, and features like the robot visor, budget calculation, or pop-up notification are only visual examples. The purpose of this prototype is to show the design layout, the navigation flow, and what the game feature will look like. In the final version, all feature will work fully, data will be stored securely on the server, and the notification system will function automatically. The first part of the app starts with the login page. Here, users simply enter their email or username, type in their password, and if need, select the Remember Me option to make feature login faster. Once they successful login, they are directed to the dashboard, which include the three main features of the app: risk profile, budget planner, and spending alerts. These three features become the core of the smart spend experience. Next, the risk profile feature helps users understand their financial situation before the app gives any recommendation. In the feature, user will view simple details such as their age, marital status, and income level. After submitting the information, the system will categorize their risk profile into one of three groups: conservative, moderate, or aggressive. These categories represent the user financial behavior and they help the app provide more personalized recommendation. The next feature is the budget planner, which is one of the main components of SmartSpend. In this feature, user can enter this monthly income, record their expense into categories, and view a summary of their financial activity. SmartSpend also provides simple insight from the robo-advisor about the user spending patterns. This includes information about spending proportion, consumption behavior, financial risk level, and suggestion to help improve their budgeting. Through this feature, a user can clearly see the balance between their need, want, and saving. At the end of the month, user can open the final analysis section to check whether their financial management is going according to plan. In this section, the apps show the user spending status, whether their saving target was reached, and whether their expenses are getting close to their monthly limit. If need, user can activate the overspending alert, which send them a notification when their spending reaches a certain point. For example, the apps can give a warning when their expenses have reached about 19.5% of their monthly budget. To give a more concrete illustration, we prepare one user scenario. In this scenario, username Lila login by entering her email and password, and she is taken to the dashboard. She then fills out her risk profile with an age of 22 years, being single and earning around 3 million rupiah per month. The system places her in the moderate risk category. After that, Lila records her expense in the budget planner. She enters her needs such as food costing around 350,000 rupiah and transportation costing 100,000 rupiah. She also input her wants such as eating out for around 18,000 rupiah and hedging out for about 16,000 rupiah. She set aside 200,000 rupiah for saving. Based on this information, the robo-advisor recommended that Lila reduce her hangout spending and increase her saving to around 300,000 rupiah. At the end of the month, the analysis showed that her essential expense stayed stable, her one increase, and her saving were still below the target. Lila also received a warning that her spending is close the monthly limit. Uh, Finally, the app gave her a summary and some suggestions for the next month. Since this application is still a prototype, there are several limitations that need to be considered. All of the button and page display are not fully functional yet, so they only serve as visual simulation. In addition, this prototype cannot save data, does not have an authentic login system, and the financial analysis show is still an illustration rather than an automatic calculation. However, in the next development stage, the application is planned to include various features such as an integrated database, smart notification, a complete financial analysis engine, automatic synchronization across device, data export capabilities, and even display option like dark mode, so that the user experience becomes more optional and comprehensive. Now moving on the frequently asked question. On this slide, we listen some common questions that usually come up when people try our prototype. Since this is only a mock-up, it can be opened on both phone and laptop without installing anything because it's just a PDF-based prototype. The final version of the app may look a little different because the design can still change. For now, the financial recommendation you see are only explained, not real calculation. And in the full version later, user will be able to set their own overspending limit. To close the presentation, SmartSpend is a design not just an expense tracking tool but as a financial assistant that helps users build healthier financial habits. Talk reminder, simple analysis, and a user-friendly interface. SmartSpend aims to support users in achieving better financial stability. Thank you for your attention.